Think the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser can't get any better? Think again. Toyota just dropped its most exciting release yet, the 2026 Land Cruiser Mini. A rugged, compact off-roader that's as stylish as it is capable. Whether you're conquering rocky trails or cruising city streets, this little beast is built to impress. Stick around as we dive into why this might just be Toyota's smartest release yet. Design. Small but mighty. The 2026 Land Cruiser Mini packs all the boldness of its bigger sibling into a compact, agile frame. With its boxy, rugged styling, high ground clearance, and short overhangs, this mini SUV is ready for adventure. But don't let its size fool you. Toyota kept the iconic Land Cruiser DNA intact, making it just as capable off-road while being perfect for city driving. Power and performance. Efficient yet powerful. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser Mini delivers impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. Thanks to Toyota's advanced four-wheel drive system and adjustable terrain settings, this SUV handles icy roads, rocky trails, and tight city streets with ease. Whether you choose a hybrid or gas engine, you're getting a smooth, balanced ride with plenty of torque for any challenge. Interior. Comfort meets functionality. Step inside and you'll find a modern, durable cabin designed for comfort and adventure. Standard premium seats, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and Toyota's latest tech, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced navigation, keep you connected on the go. Plus, with adjustable seating and generous cargo space, this compact SUV is as practical as it is stylish. If you want off-road capability without the bulk of a full-size SUV, the Land Cruiser Mini is your perfect match. It's ideal for urban commuters who love weekend getaways, adventurers who need a tough yet compact ride, and anyone who wants Toyota's legendary reliability in a sleek modern package. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Land Cruiser Mini the ultimate compact off-roader? Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to see more in-depth reviews on the latest car releases, subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.